Hi, welcome to this course, Practical PyTorch. This video is an introduction to the course. Let us look at what this course entails. This course is broken down into 10 sections or chapters, and the course is divided into two halves. The first half, chapters 1 to 5, are more about the basics and fundamentals of PyTorch, and the second half, chapters 6 to 10, are focused on applications. As you will see, we begin with learning what PyTorch is. We then do a brief refresher on deep learning concepts. We also look at some of the classical machine learning models such as linear and logistic regression. We then do a deeper dive into some of the fundamental computational units of deep learning such as scalars, vectors, matrices, and most importantly tensors. We then go through an interesting journey from NumPy to PyTorch by implementing a neural network from scratch. In the second half of the course, we first build a deep convolutional neural network using PyTorch. We look at a special field of deep learning called transfer learning. We also build a very specific application called style transfer using PyTorch. And we finally work on sequence modeling in two parts. First, we build an image classifier using RNNs, and then finally we work on a natural language processing problem using RNNs. So what are the prerequisites of this course? Because we will be writing all of our code in Python, working knowledge of Python is a strong requirement. If you do not feel comfortable writing Python code, I have added two resources that can get you started. Similarly, I would recommend some basic knowledge of machine learning concepts, as well as a basic understanding of linear algebra. Once again, if you do not feel comfortable in these topics, I have added some good resources. Once you finish this course, I strongly recommend you to go deeper into some of the PyTorch topics that interest you, and the best resource to do that would be the PyTorch website itself, which is pytorch.org. It has a plethora of resources on all kinds of deep learning topics within PyTorch. Additionally, I have put a link to my book, Mastering PyTorch, which also intends to go deeper into some of the PyTorch topics. And with this, we can get started with the course.